California's wrongful death statute allows heirs and dependents of a victim to claim damages for loss of love, care, comfort, and support. If you or a loved one has been a victim in a motorcycle accident, you should seek legal consultation immediately. Visit lawsuit.com today or call 877-259-2539 to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We'll have an attorney near you evaluate your case and answer questions free. If you've been hurt in a motorcycle accident, you may be considering a lawsuit. If you choose to seek compensation for your pain, lost wages, or medical expenses, visit lawsuit.com first. Lawsuit.com is the destination for information and news on current and potential lawsuits, and a place to find out more about your case and find the perfect representation.